So here we have a
Cerakote Headlight Restoration.
Yes, we're trying to get this wonderful 2005 Camry LE, the headlight, to get brighter for the winter.
Yeah, it says like new, and it says lifetime guaranteed. So it's supposed to last the lifetime of the vehicle. And there's no power tools needed. It's all by hand.
Let's see how it works.
Yep.
All right.
So there's 3 long steps. Alright, so put on the gloves using an oxidation remover wipe. Rub each headlights. Yeah, true. This must be
wax off, wax on.
Yeah, Karate Kid. This must be some strong chemicals if it's getting the oxidation off. I bet. It's on here. Ooh, look at that. It's nice. So now we'll dry it off completely. It says it has to be completely dry. Alright, I guess that's it.
And then it's supposed to stay for
an hour, I guess?
An hour.
Yep. Yeah, I think that came out better because I sanded it more. We learned that you should definitely spend some time sanding it and make sure it's perfectly sanded. Spend a little more time, because there's really no harm that you can do by sanding more because there's so much plastic to sand. So I think instead of doing it for 2 to 3 minutes, just do it as much as you need. Make sure it's nice and even, sand it down. Because this one came out a lot better, I think.
So we just finished, and it says it's supposed to be lifetime warranty. So we can hold you to that.
Yeah, we'll have an update soon. Maybe
Yes.
in a week or something like
Yes.
that. A little more sanding than it says, just if you need.
Yeah.
If it doesn't look clear, sand some more. There's probably no harm that you can do.
Yeah.
And it came out looking pretty good so far. So hopefully once it's dry, it'll last a lifetime like it says.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, and
Check back soon.
there you go.